In this video, I will show how to calculate sale price after discount in Excel. So we have this example data. For anything, original price is 2000 and we have the 10% discount. But make sure in this 3, we don't have this percentage symbol. Just we have this normal number. In the number we selected general. So if you selected general from here, formula is equal select original price minus select discount price. Now divide by 100. Now multiplication with original price, then press enter. Now drag and drop. And if you have this discount price with this symbol, discount symbol, so you need to use another formula. So equal, then original price minus discount price, multiplication. This time you don't need to divide by 100 because it's already divided. So just now original price minus discount price, multiplication, then original price, then press enter. So this is the way you get the result. And this way you can calculate discount price after sale price after discount price. Thanks for watching.